as we leave Miami Cruise Port off to the Bahamas. Allure of the seas. All right, good morning from day 2. We just made it to Nassau. Now we're gonna have some breakfast at Johnny Rockets. There's my BELT, bacon, egg, cheese, tomato, lettuce. Sandy got her way, over medium eggs, toast, potatoes, and bacon. Enjoy. There she is, Allure of the Seas. He's a big ship. Now we're here in Nassau. Let's go walk. There's a Disney Green and Liberty of the Seas. Atlantis would be something cool we need to check out at some point, but we're just exploring today. There's our ship. Now we have a shark. He's gonna get her. He's gonna get my lady. Oh wow, there he goes. Oh no, there's the carnival celebration. A lot of little shop over here on the Nassau Cruise Port. Senor Frogs over there. Definitely a place to check out if you're in Nassau and you're not planning on doing anything. Look how beautiful that water is. Got a little boat here. And cruise ships all in the background. And there's a lighthouse over there. Yeah.
Spend some loot. You get some better images when you spend more money, man.
Oh yeah, I know. I bet. Pretty sure you can do an excursion over there. Look at all these things that you can get here. And some surfboards too. We got Bob Marley, famous in the Bahamas here. There's Margaritaville. That's on the beach resort. We're gonna try to make our way to Junkanoo Beach. It's located right behind the Margaritaville Beach Resort. Once we made our way back to the ship, we realized we had the whole ship to ourselves, so I decided to take advantage. Let's go zip line. All right, we're at the solarium. Miami guys. You gotta go. There it is. Pepperoni pizza from Sorrento's. Time to eat. We're at Samba Grill. We flip it green if we're ready for more meat, and we flip it red if we want to stop. This is what happens if you get exhausted. The meat sweats. Alright, we got a beef cucumber salad. Oh, shrimp. She got like a shrimp cocktail salad stuff. We got a little appetizer. Are these croquetas? This is empanadas. Here we go. Alright, thank you, sir. Thank you. Appreciate you.
Filet mignon.
Filet mignon. All right.
Can you cut it for me for temperature?
Definitely full.
I have
You gotta tap out. Try to put the red.
Yeah.
Read us to keep going, write us to stop. We told them
And we
to.
stop. And that, my friends, is the Samba grill experience in a nutshell. You will get the meat sweats after 2 or 3 of these pieces of meat. That's for sure. Very blue in this side of town, the boardwalk. We're trying to see if we can catch the aqua show without a reservation. We have one for tomorrow, but we'd rather watch it now. A lot of people here. Look at this crowd. And if you're lucky, you have one of these balconies in the middle. You can watch the show from here. We're right in the front because we didn't reserve this show. Not sure what this means, but I guess we're gonna find out.
And as a final reminder, please ensure that all phones.
All right, we got a little surprise for us. In the distance, what do we got here? Is it a little wolf or is that a bunny?
Oh, a little wolf wolf. Oh, he's so cute.
It looks like Chavito. Hey, Chavo.
Hey, Chavo. Woof woof. Don't go.
Don't hurt him.
Hey, buddy.
He looks like a baby too.
Hi,
His little butt
buddy.
sticking up.
We're gonna collect you with others.
Yeah. We're gonna put him in a low pile.
Oh, dang, he fell. His head fell.
Oh,
His head fell off.
Looking Dumb and Dumber.
His eyes fell off too.
Hey, honey, what did I find?
You found a cute little duck with a little Santa hat.
He's in the Christmas spirit for sure. We got a rubber duck.
And you found him.
Yeah, I never get lucky with these guys, but I found my first duck on Royal Caribbean, Allure of the Seas. All right, baby, what happened?
Oh my duck.
Duck
Is it-
Tua. Duck number 2.
It has a little note.
And she found it, and it's certified. So it's gotta mean something. It's gotta be worth some money. Oh, it all disappeared. It must have gotten wet in the rain.
Yeah.
It happens.